You are a go-getter! Use the lever to die, go-getter! Great work, go-getters!
Guys, you need to use the lever in the front of the car to go up and down. Guys, you need to use the lever in the front of the car.
Ford is set for Big Ben. The clock tower at the north end of the Palace of Westminster in London is often called Big Ben. But actually, Big Ben is the name of the great bell inside the tower. Great flying, go-getter! Pull the lever to make your broomster sing. Keep going, go-getter cadets! Looking great on the turn. Ford is set for the leaning Tower of Pisa. Let me tell you more. The Tower of Pisa is as tall as 7 houses and took nearly 300 years to build. The ground around it, though, was too soft, and the tower sank on one side. That's why it's called the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
All mobile phones away, please. Phones in pockets.
Jetters, you aced it. Coordinates set for the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty stands on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. It was a gift to the people of America from the people of France. The statue faces southeast towards the sea to greet visitors arriving by boat. Great work, cadets! You finished your training. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. Once the ride is completely stopped and the bar released, you may leave the car, collecting your belongings as you go. See you soon, go-getters!